Greetings and welcome back, everybody. I'm looking forward to teaching classes in person once again. I'm so excited for that. Hopefully all of you are as well. For those of you that don't know who I am Mr. Boszor, and I am one of the science teachers here at North White Middle High School. I teach 5 classes, and my expectations for all 5 classes are the same. Let me go through the classes that I'm teaching. I teach ICP, which is an introduction to chemistry and physics. I teach physics, I teach chemistry, advanced chemistry, chemistry 2, and this year I'm also teaching computer science, which I'm super excited to teach. I'm looking forward to all of that. So for my classes, almost everything is going to be virtual. Now, just in case though, you do need a composition book. There are some things that you'll need to write down, but for the most part, we're going to try to do everything as much as we can virtually, even in the classroom. Everything you're going to turn in will be through the Chromebook, through Google Docs, Google Drawings, Google Sheets, all of that stuff. We're going to utilize the computer as much as we can this year to make everything as seamless and as easy as possible, and that's my plan as well. I want everything to go smoothly. Now, with that being said, assignments still need to be turned in the day after they are assigned. So if I give you an assignment on Friday, then it's due on Monday. If I give you an assignment on Tuesday, I expect it to be due on Wednesday. My grading scale is just like that of the school, so that is in the handbook. You can check that out. However, I do start to take points off as you get later and later. So if an assignment is due on Tuesday and you turn it in on Wednesday, I take 10% off. If you do it on Thursday, then it's 20% off, and I do that up to 50% off. So if you turn in an assignment that is more than a week late, the most you can get is 50% credit for that assignment. I want you to do it, so I want to give you some credit, but I want you also to understand that I'm not going to give you full credit if you don't turn it in on time. So that's my major expectation that I want. Again, treat others as you want others to be treated. We'll go over a lot of these rules in class. I have paperwork to hand out to you, one of the few times that you'll get any paperwork from me. Also, I want to explain that all of my classes, except for ICP, are going to be project-based, meaning that every so often we are going to have a project that is due, and it will be a group project, which is going to be a little bit different this year as we try to meander through this crazy situation that we're dealing with right now. And I still want you to work with other people to produce the projects, but it's going to be done a little bit differently, and I'm still working out the details as to how I want to see that done. But I'm really excited that I actually get to be in front of all of you again. I get to talk to you face to face, more or less, and to see how things are going and to be able to monitor the situation as well. The other thing that I'm doing this year is that I'm flipping my classrooms. So I won't stand up in front of class and lecture like your traditional teacher. I'm going to record all of my lectures, and you're going to then watch the videos as homework. When you come in the next day, then you will have an assignment based on your reading, so you can ask questions as you go through the assignment, so I know and you know that you're on the understanding path and can master the material, as opposed to going home and doing the homework and maybe not knowing and not asking questions. Flipping the classroom by having you watch the video before you come into class, you have a better understanding, and then you can ask questions as you're doing work. And if you're struggling, I can focus specifically on you and what you need, while somebody else who may not be struggling, I can give them time to work on their own, and they don't have to worry about waiting until things happen and so on and so forth. So those are the kind of things that I'm looking at for my classes this year. Again, composition book, just in case. We'll do a couple things in here probably, but again, most things are going to be on the computer. Get your stuff done, do your assignments. That's the only thing that I ask. Get things turned in. Behavior, treat others like you're going to treat yourself, and finally, be ready to do projects. I'm looking forward to this year. I hope it's going to be a good year for you as well, and have a great day.